Morning, everyone. Morning. It's flight day. Are we excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you sleep okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, not too bad? Yeah. So what are we wearing today? We've got the child. Yeah, that's very cool. What's Daddy got? Daddy get it in the screen. There we go. Wasn't sure if to go Disney or Universal, but we're going Universal first. Or I'd mix it up. What's Mummy wearing today? Lovely floral. She looks tired. Yeah, we had Alice join us in bed last night, didn't we? Yeah. So as we've slept here, we've noticed a couple of little problems. One, the TV keeps going in and out. Weak or no signal, which hasn't been great. And then the shower's off right now. So you've kind of got a dot around it to clean your teeth, which is always fun. Whoa, Lego shop, the only reason to come on holiday. You playing the guitar? What are you doing? So we've got to try and find Gary Gatwick, alright? Where? Show me. There he is, okay. We're going to keep looking for Gary Gatwicks. Come on then. What else can we find? Well, that's a bit of cheating. Okay, keep looking. Oh, there he is. He's trying to get on a plane. So we've got 2. Okay, keep looking. Yes, number 3. He's on the luggage. Got any more? 4. Oh yeah. Daddy didn't see that one. Oh, secret wall. Any behind the secret wall? No, I don't think so. Keep going. Any more? We've got 6. I think that's it. I think that's all of them, isn't it? Oh no! One in the tower. Yeah.
On the hill.
Whoa, well done. How many was there total?
9.
Yeah. We're on a plane. Hey Alice, you right? TV's on. After 5 long years, we're going to Disney World. You can't even hear me, can you? You can? Oh, okay. Oh. So apparently I'm 5 again. I definitely didn't have this on the Virgin flights. Oh, I need that first. Oh no. Well, apparently, even in my 30s I can't play a game. Okay, we're like an hour in. Super exciting update. The pretzels have arrived. For 5 years, it's the one thing I've remembered that I wanted on a flight. This is it, we've made it. We're on a flight. We're either going to make it to America or we're going to crash and burn. Let's hope it's the go to America. So the dinner's here. They know me so well. Mushroom sauce, mash. Yeah. Unidentified something. Strawberry tart. Crackers. There we go. I'll be eating crackers for the next 8 hours.
First time to Cabana Bay?
Welcome to Cabana Bay. Say hey, Alice. Hey, this is our room. So we've done check-in. We've got a birthday badge for me, even though it's next week. We got anniversary badges, even though it was last month, and technically the 10 years was last year, but they were very friendly. Free cake though, we like free cake, don't we?
Yep.
Let's pan out. We've got a bed, is that your bed?
Yes.
Yeah. Rachel's on this bed, looking snazzy. Yeah, she is. We've got a really cool retro theme.
And also,
What's also? What's also? Oh, the room. Okay, the view. What have we got? We have a lazy river.
And someone coming in with a rubber ring.
And the volcano. How cool is that? Is that amazing? Yeah. Okay, so we've got the beds, we've got the TV, and we've got a big old cupboard. What's in the cupboard, Alice?
Oh, yeah.
What's in the cupboard? Oh, safe. A bag, all emblazoned with Cabana Bay, maybe stolen, not sure yet. And then
The bathroom.
a bathroom, which is arguably bigger than the room we stayed in last night.
Yep.
Whoa.
Very.
And there's some toilet roll that isn't stapled down. I think we're taking that home as well. Oh, and some shampoo. Are we having the shampoo? It's not special, we don't want that. Do it, do it. Go on. Oh. Visits. We're gonna get in the pool then. I'm here. Yeah. We're off. We're off. We're off. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, yep. Should we go inside the volcano? Be careful on there, and then you have the power to get people wet. Okay. The evening, is it? Yeah. Glamorous. No drowning. glasses. Time for food.